Hey, what is up guys? I am in Scotland, specifically Edinburgh, and I am just bound to explore what Edinburgh has to offer. So apparently guys, when it's Sunday over here, most of the shops are closed, but then you can still explore a lot of things over here, and you might want to just walk around and check out the shops that you want to visit. So yeah, there are museums that are open on Sundays. Make sure to know. Hey, good morning guys. So I am rushing to the grocery mart as I will be buying food items for my breakfast tomorrow and for the coming days. So there's actually a free tour at the hostel at around 10:40, which is why I'm basically running and rushing. So I'm gonna show you more guys of the free tour that they have over here at Edinburgh.
Big part of his drive for changing the church in Scotland was plain old-fashioned bigotry, and that's something that we unfortunately still deal with in this country to this day. Protestant Catholic bigotry. The city down at the bottom of the Royal Mile, Arthur's Seat. Anyone seen that one? Yeah, big one, but yeah. So, did anyone been up it?
Hey there guys, so I am done with my walking tour and I am here at the grass market. Might be considered as their Times Square. A lot of things here may cost 10 to 15 pounds higher or expensive, and so yeah, this is where the old pubs or a very famous and delicious ice cream at Mary's Milk Bar is at. So guys, if you would want to visit this place, this is Grass Market again. It is 3-minute walk, or well, it really depends on your pace though. 5 to 9 minutes from Edinburgh Castle, and then you get to reach the Grass Market. So there you go guys. So guys, as I am walking my way here at the grass market, I found the back part of the backside of the Edinburgh Castle. It is such a fine day today. Mr. Sun is very much delighted, and it's been 2 days here in Edinburgh that I have finally experienced good weather. So there you go guys, the back part of the Edinburgh Castle. It's actually a castle on top of a active volcano. So let me show it to you guys. And there you go. It's a great spot to take pictures, and make sure that when you walk around, don't forget your cameras. Alright, there you go. So if you guys would want to visit Mary's Milk Bar, it's right beside Zaza's Coffee House. So landmark would be the grass market. So guys, Edinburgh or Scotland is very much famous of making cashmere apparel. So if you guys would be heading here at Edinburgh, Scotland, make sure to grab and try those apparels. And by far, very warm. That's of my personal review. I actually got 100% extra fine baby cashmere scarf, and so yeah, I'm just basically walking my way wherever this leads me, whatever good places to find and good food to eat.
Travel was very fast, and what we now call mainstream tourism burst onto the scene. And Callander, Auburn, Fort William, Pitlochry, where we'll be later on, these places really burst onto the scene as tourist destinations.
So guys, we are here for a tour at the Loch Ness, and it's actually freezing cold. I think even lower than -2. So I'm about to go back to my coach, and let's see where we're heading next. So guys, it's pretty much cold here. Well, obviously, yeah, -4. And so we are up for lunch. Just right after we have visited the Three Sisters attraction. So here we are having a simple lunch just right before we are going on a cruise at the Loch Ness. So apparently guys, here you have to buy their ketchup. It's 5 pence. So I don't know how much is that in peso. Basically, you have to buy the ketchup in UK, unless if you're eating at the restaurant, I think. So here I'm having fish and chips, and I'm gonna enjoy my lunch for now. Guys, actually the cam fell off. It broke a little, but it's okay. And so I left the tripod at the coach. So this might fall off again. So yeah, if audio's not that of good quality, my apologies guys. So here we are at Loch Ness. We're about to have our cruise in 15 minutes from now. So I'm just walking around the village and checking out what's in here. So basically they have shops, they have places to eat and drink something hot. So basically that's it. And the canal over here. You can also see different meal shops and gift centers. So there you go guys.
A very romantic monster, but
The
at
audio
least
is
it could be a
very
real
clear
creature.
now. Here we are at Loch Ness, but the view is just fantastic. So there. Hey, what is up everyone, and we are now here in Pitlochry, Scotland, and I'm here to explore what this little town can offer. So I am just walking my way at the city center guys, and they have very beautiful boutiques and small shops over here that you can buy or purchase just anything. Although it's a small town, hey, what is up everyone? It is freezing cold and drizzling over here at Perth or Poth, and I am just walking over to St. John's Shopping Center to just check out what's in there, what's actually raining right now. So I'm just gonna keep the camera for a couple of hours until I get to the place, St. John's Shopping Center. So guys, I spent 3 hours here at Perth, and I haven't seen much yet because it's raining, it's a bit gloomy, some of the cathedrals are closed, but then it was all worthwhile, you know, just exploring this small town. And don't worry if you have problems with your ticket, because if you weren't able to purchase one, you can get it from their ticket help point or ask any staff from the ScotRail station. And you may also check ScotRail timetables or train schedules when you're here in Perth, or in general actually. So you can also plan your trips, as it doesn't come every hour or often now and then. So there you go guys, here at Perth.